Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is November 11th, 2023, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the S&P 500, looking at SPX on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is actually suitable for you. All right, let's just jump right over here to the charts and see what we see. We see the market is still green on the quarter. Well, our month is staying hanging out green. We are above the 10. We did get above my descending, channel, and we are looking to go higher to sum it all up right quick. But let's zoom on in on each chart and see what we see. I'll maximize this and there. All right, on the quarterly chart, we are green. The stochastic is still up underneath the 80, so based on how you trade, maybe you can still try to get long and catch this before it goes higher. We're at 44.15 is where we closed, and I was wondering, are we going to cross 4,500? If it's going to happen, it's going to happen next week. So let's kind of like wait and see what happens there. Let's go down to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we are back above the 10, so we are bullish. We notice the stochastic can hang out here at the top and continue to go higher. We have, like I said, reversed that trend and looking to go higher. Really the next point is really 4,500. Will we cross 4,500 come next week? And let's go down to the weekly chart and take a closer look and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, what we see there, we are seeing that close above this whole range, and I'm ending up taking this off because, again, I don't like having those little lines on my chart. I can see it, we can see it, and like we say, the other little thing that I want to see here, these are monthly pivots. We are above at our 1 level, and our 2 level, which we can't hit, is above 4,500, which is 4,520. So that's why it looks pretty good that we will at least touch 4,500. So let's kind of like wait and see what happens there. We are getting support from the stochastic. It is turning up. That alligator got his mouth wide open. I'm stealing that from somebody else. That they used to say that about when you see this. This is the time, again, on shorter time frames. When we see this, we know it's time to get long and go long. But no trade recommendation there. But everything is looking good to the upside right now. And let's go ahead and take a quick look at the daily and wrap this on up. On the daily, it did just exactly the same way we saw on the Qs, on the Nasdaq. We was looking for that first day. Let me zoom in here a little bit like this, where you can see what I'm seeing. Last week, we had closed just above this thing. The thing is, I said we need to see a candle above. We need to see another close above this little range here, and we got it. So it was kind of like, even though you were at the top, you should have been already in there. You should be managing your trades, but everything is okay, staying long. This was the one scary day, just like I saw on the Qs you got this doji here after the market has been slowing down, then this big push down. But this is exactly what you see a lot in the market, where it comes back down and tests that what was resistant that's now going to act as support. When it tests that area and that's what got me looking at this thing right now, definitely going to 4,500 and above. So that's all I want to share, and I'll say that 4,500 and above, based on the movement that this market that made on Friday, and based on what I'm seeing. I don't think we made that. Again, we're mid-November, We'll see if we get there through Thanksgiving or definitely Christmas rally. We might be hitting this year's high at least, what I'm seeing now. And that's all I have to share here today. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys are having a great week. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next weekend. Have a good one. Bye.